In this video, I'm going to show you how to make amazing Pav Bhaji Sizzler. Let's get started. Take 3/4 cup dried peas. You can take yellow ones or the green ones. Soak them overnight in water for 5 to 6 hours and then add them to a pressure cooker. Add 2 small sized potatoes roughly chopped, 1/4 cup cauliflower. Add some water, a little salt. Now close the lid of the pressure cooker and cook for 3 to 4 whistles. Everything should be done really well. Meanwhile, to a plate or a bowl, add 2 teaspoons ginger garlic paste, a pinch of turmeric or haldi, half teaspoon red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala and some salt. Then add juice from half small sized lemon. Mix well. Now here I've got 200 gram paneer which I have cut into big triangles. You can also cut into rectangles or any other shape you want. Coat each piece of paneer really well with this marinade. Keep this aside or in your refrigerator, fridge section, not freezer, for 10 to 15 minutes. Once the vegetables are cooked and the pressure from the pressure cooker has released, open the lid and using a masher, mash all the vegetables really well. If you feel that the mixture is a little liquidy at this time, it's okay because later we are going to cook this. Now heat 2 to 3 teaspoon oil in your karhai or pan. Add 1 teaspoon butter or more if you like it. Add chopped onion, 1 medium sized. Saute till the onions turn slightly golden, little pinkish, not very brown. Then add 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste and saute for 20 to 30 seconds between low to medium flame or till the raw smell is gone. Then add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric and keeping the flame between low to medium, saute for 10 to 15 seconds. Now add 2 small sized chopped tomatoes, 2 teaspoon red chilli powder and some salt. Add Kashmiri or Byadgi red chilli powder to get nice color. Now add 1 small size finely chopped capsicum. Give everything a good mix, lower the flame and cover it and cook for 5 minutes. Cooking like this at low flame covered without adding water will also make your tomatoes really nice and soft. So with the back of your spoon, just mash the tomatoes like this. Now add the mashed vegetables. You can also add carrot, beans and beetroot while making pav bhaji. Add some water, then add 1/2 teaspoon pav bhaji masala. You can taste the pav bhaji and adjust the salt according to your taste. Use a masher and mash the pav bhaji like this. Towards the end, add 1 to 2 tablespoons butter. You can add more if you would like to, and while serving you can add more butter. So totally, I leave it up to you how much butter you would like to add. The pav bhaji is ready. Let's move to the next step. Heat a pan, a grill pan, tawa or any pan which you have, any non-stick pan, and place the paneer pieces. I am not using any oil to grill these paneer pieces, but you can use some oil if you want to. So you need to grill the paneer on both the sides. If using regular tawa, it would get nice browning on both the sides. Moving towards the pav, so here I've got 2 pav bread. I'm dividing it into small cubes. Basically, I'm dividing pav into bite-sized pieces. Now heat a pan and add some butter. To the melted butter, add some red chilli powder, Pav Bhaji Masala and some chopped fresh coriander. So you can add all these things as per your taste. Now add in all the pav pieces and toss between low to medium flame till the pav becomes slightly crispy. You may add little salt if you want. And at the end, again adding some fresh coriander. Now let's put it all on a sizzler plate. So here I've got a sizzler plate and you can see the dimensions on the screen. You need to heat this plate really well And once this plate becomes hot, be careful while placing it on a wooden stand. You can also place some cabbage leaves here, but I'm not doing it in this sizzler, this Pav Bhaji Sizzler. So you need to heat your plate really well and then add the Pav Bhaji. With the amount of Pav Bhaji we have made, you can make 3 such servings. You would need to toast more pav for the other 2 servings, but yes, the bhaji and paneer would be enough for 3 servings. Some more butter and some onion. You can also place a wedge of lemon if you want. Our Pav Bhaji Sizzler with delicious and creamy paneer, grilled paneer is ready. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.